Hello, it's Auret here. Welcome to another video on the Essetino Artist channel. Today I wanted to share with you some more resources that you can tap into on our Essetino Artist website. Now I'm super excited to share this website with you because as of filming this video, we just recently launched it. It's brand new, very excited, and we have included a lot more resources on our website. We really want this to be a hub for all kinds of creative entrepreneurs to come to plug into the resources that we have here. We have tools, we have guides, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to show you how to tap into those things. So as you can see here on our homepage, says a little bit about who we are. We're dedicated to helping you do what you love for a living, and we want you to get ready to gain more visibility for your work, create engaging content, and grow your creative business. So essentially, we want you to step up your marketing game and to plug into what we have to offer you here. So if you scroll down a little bit, you kind of get a quick look at what we have in terms of starting on our website. So we have tools of the trade. We share with you all the different tools that we use, products, services that we use to power our online business. We also have online courses for you. We recently as well launched our Creative Business Academy. Not so much of an official launch yet, but there are classes on there that you can enroll in different topics. We also have our services, so if you'd like to work with us one-on-one, and our consulting, of course. So let's give you a little bit of a walkthrough. The About section is pretty straightforward. You're going to get to learn a little bit more about us and our mission, so you can check out that on your own time if you like. I'm going to click into courses to show you. All right, so if you want to upgrade your skills in different aspects here that we have to offer, you're welcome to take any one of our courses. We have one on how to start a YouTube channel to teach your passion, doing what you love, and to showcase it more. We have one on how to rank your YouTube videos using a tool called TubeBuddy that's all about search engine optimization for YouTube. We have a complete Camtasia course for content creators, so you can start to produce video content, beautiful and professional looking video content for your channel and for other social media platforms. We also have this Amazon FBA Canada course right here, and a course on how to sell on Craigslist to make some extra cash, get rid of stuff that you don't need and get some extra cash in there so you can start to apply it to what you are passionate about. And a couple other courses that are coming soon as well, as you can see here. So anything that you can read a little bit about it that appeals to you, you can click into it. It's either going to take you directly to our Creative Business Academy or on a different platform where you can preview the curriculum and see if it's a good fit for you. So another page that I wanted to show you, resources. This is where our most trusted resources are all in one place. We've spent a lot of time curating some of our strongly recommended tools and websites for building your online business, and they're all here in this one place so you can tap into them. So you can see here, we've kind of sectioned them off separately. There's different resources for building your website, different resources for creating and sharing video content. We have our entire gears list here as well. And with anything, if you want to learn more about it, there's typically a video that we created on it, which you can click from here to watch it, or you can go directly to the website to try that tool out. And there's a little bit of a description on each one here for you. So as you can see, it's quite a long list here, but we wanted this to be a treasure chest for you to come in here, see what would be most helpful to you, and not have to do all this crazy research on your own. These are all things that we've used religiously. We trust these products and services, and we're recommending them to you for a reason, because they're super valuable and helpful. Next, I want to show you a free YouTube guide as well. And we released a previous video on the channel about this, but I'll just show you. You can access it from here by going to free YouTube guide. And this is essentially a guide it's a free guide that you can download that I created with 12 ready to film YouTube ideas. and prompts as well. So this is not just giving you ideas, but it's a way for you to easily come up with outlines and prepare your content for your YouTube videos, for 12 of them. So if you're releasing one every week, that's enough content for 90 days moving forward. And it really helps you with knowing what to say on camera, knowing what videos you should create. So if that sounds helpful, you can easily just you can put in your first name and your email address in here, and you can instantly download the PDF guide. It will be sent to your email. And then we have our Work With Us page. So these are all services that we provide to really help you level up. And so just to scroll down here and show you some of those things, we have our one-on-one YouTube consulting packages where we'll work with you. Instead of you shooting in the dark to figure out this whole thing about how to start a YouTube channel and how to grow it, we've gone through that process many times. We've helped many different clients as well with their YouTube journey. So you're welcome to come here and check out our consulting package that we have here. And we also offer graphic and PDF design services. So there are services here that we help you in terms of content creation if you want to outsource it to someone. And you're not just outsourcing it to just, a regular freelancer who knows design or who knows video, but we really understand what makes people click, what makes people, what engages people into your content, the whole psychology behind content creation and making sure that you put out your best message forward in the best way possible. So you can come in here, take a look at some of our graphic and PDF design services if you're looking for, let's say, a lead magnet to be designed, like an opt-in freebie, or maybe you are a course instructor yourself and you need some worksheets to go along with your learning materials. We can do that. We also offer one-on-one Camtasia lessons. So for those of you who might know, we put out a ton of tutorials on our channel for learning how to edit using the video editing software Camtasia. But if you really want one-on-one help, Jewel will sit down with you over Zoom, share her screen with you, and show you where to go to find this feature here, what you need to do in terms of when you're first putting in footage into the timeline and cutting it and doing transitions if you need to. Basically anything that you need to learn how to do to put your video together, she'll take you through that entire process. We can also help with some video editing projects. If you don't want to do the editing yourself, we can help take that off your plate, as well as course production. So if you're brand new to the course production world, you're looking to basically package your knowledge that you have on whatever it is that you're good at and creating a course out of it so that you'll have a digital product that will sell for you over and over again. There are different aspects of that we can help with as well. And of course, you'll see our contact page on here. So if you are looking to connect about any questions, collaborations, sponsorships, you can come right here and use our web form and get in touch with us. So guys, that is it for this video. Please do go ahead and check out the Essetino Artist website. The link will be in the description below. We put a lot of thought into it and created this as a resource for you. So we'd love to hear from you. Please click like on this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more good stuff if you aren't already subscribed coming your way.